Welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to prevent manually approved tags on Instagram when you're using Instagram on your PC. With the latest update, Instagram has made a few changes to where these settings are located, but don't worry, it's still super quick to adjust once you know where to look. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Instagram on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on it to open up more options. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control your privacy and interaction preferences. Next, look for the section labeled Tags and Mentions. Click on that and you'll see different options related to how people can tag or mention you in posts. Now find the option that says Manually Approve Tags. If this feature is turned on, it means every time someone tags you, you'll have to approve it before it shows up on your profile. If you want to stop doing that, simply disable this option.